Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching this video because you're having trouble getting matches on Tinder. That's a joke. Well, sort of. Is it a joke? Probably not. But let's be honest, guys. We all want Tinder Gold, but we can't afford to pay for it. So I'm going to show you today how to get free Tinder Gold using promo codes, and it's super easy. It takes about 5 minutes, and it's going to save you obviously a bunch of money considering how much Tinder Gold costs. So let's get into it, guys. You need to use your mobile phone. This works for iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter which device you use, just as long as you have an internet connection. And go to this website on your phone, www.wavycoupons.com. So Wavy Coupons, guys, this website here, when you reach the website, search for the Tinder page. So you can see there is a search bar at the top. So just type in there Tinder, and you're looking for the Tinder Gold free upgrade coupons. Now click on that page. And you can see, guys, they don't only do gold, they do plus and also platinum. And they all come with different features and benefits. I believe platinum's the most expensive. But yeah, just choose whatever you want. I'm going to choose gold. So click on show coupon, and you can see we need to unlock our promo code. So obviously these are quite valuable codes, and this prevents, well, it basically stops people from stealing every code that's available on Wavy Coupons. So I'm not going to do it. I've already got gold with very little success regardless of that. And you need to tap the unlock code button. Like I said, I'm not going to run through it, but when that reaches 100%, you're going to see a new screen. It's just going to tell you how to get your code, unlock your code. It takes about 5 minutes. You need to just verify yourself, complete a couple of these like free tasks. Super simple, and yeah, that's going to give you your code. And then once you get it, you can redeem it on the website or within the app, and it's going to upgrade your existing account to a gold membership. So yeah, go to wavycoupons.com, guys. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below.